What's going on, guys? It's your boy DJ back with another video, and today might be an exciting video. It might involve a new car and a new project for the channel. Let's check it out. So what we have here is a 2010 Mazda Speed 3, and if you guys aren't too familiar with these cars, these are inline 4 turbo front wheel drive, kind of like the Focus STs before the Focus STs. These things are rad. They're really fast. They have awesome amount of torque steer, and they're just great. But here's the catch with this one. This one is a bit clapped out, and you guys know me, I love clapped out vehicles, but this one might take the cake for as clapped out as you can get them. Let's just do a quick walk around and I'll show you what's wrong with it. So let's start at the front of the car. As you can see, it has the good old Mazda fogged up headlights, and the bumper's not too bad. Looked like someone tried to plastic dip these at one point. Not too much body damage, but here is the real kicker. Someone tried to roll these fenders, and they did a horrible job. You can obviously tell they tried to roll these fenders because the offset on these tires, they must have bought them off Craigslist or something. The bumper's all loose right here, no wheel liner. We'll go to the back. Side skirt's all falling off. Once again, another terrible roll job on the back. Looked like they were getting a little bit drift happy in the snow since these are front wheel drive cars, but that's all fixable. Bear with me. Missing the emblem back there. Stock exhaust, which isn't too bad. It means it might not be modified. Go to the back. Looks like they rolled this way too bad. Starting to rust, paint chip right there. Side skirt's falling off a little bit, and still this nasty, aggressive offset ruining the bumper. So let's take a look under the hood real quick. We'll go inside. So not too bad. Leather's a little bit worn, but I mean it's 2010. But that's where the real puppy is. Cobb access port, and also a manual. So this car's obviously been tuned. Let's take a look under the hood, and this is where all the real problems lie, is underneath this hood. Everything else is quite fixable, but you can't get past this part. So as you can see, that is the turbo right there. But just real quick, these usually come with top mount intercoolers. They did a front mount. Intake makes all the cool turbo wishy sounds. They got Mazda Speed intercooler piping for the front mount, which is down there, which is really cool. But here's a huge issue. There is no downpipe. Yeah, this is, see all that sit back there? That's because this guy's been running the car with no downpipe off the turbo, frying the shit out of everything down here. And it's pretty crazy. Look how much black soot is over here and down there. Now, this isn't too bad for this car, and I really do like this car, but I don't know. That's a lot of work to be done. It didn't pass our shop, and my manager is selling it to me for cheap, but it's hard not to resist wanting to buy one of these. I can tell you it's under 3 grand. Wholesale, that is what I'll be getting sold to. And these cars are easily worth 7. If flipped, that stuff fixed, it'd be perfect. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. Any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, the cool thing is I got my own personal taxi service. Look at this thing. Just hop in. That's L Tool Belt. This is Ed Boy. You guys know Waggy.